Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to expand text in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. Create a new layer, right click, type tool, select the text color, text size, for example use 24 and type anything, click OK. Then double click, select and show this icon, or OK. Then click the character icon and see this expand text. For default 100%, 200, 1, or use up and down arrow key. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.